What is up, Dream Team? So today we'll be removing this rear tail lights for some new LED lights. It's the Winjet, LED lights. So it's pretty basic, already basic. So pretty much what you gotta do is get a 10mm socket, remove top bolt here, another bolt here, another bolt here, bottom. For a second, we already had them loose. Pull the headlight out, remove, scroll here, and then now for the rear light, I did go ahead and I went ahead and bought a LED light. So I replaced the old light that was in here originally. Okay. Replace that LED light. So for me, I noticed that this part right here went connected to that black. See how it has that part right there? It went connected to that black. So the top, you want it going right in there, like so. Give me a second here to set that baby in. Just like that, and then we'll go ahead and set the new light in. And don't take the plastic off until you're ready to do so. So you're done with the installation. The same thing, it's all plug and play. Twist and turn here and there. And I struggled a little bit putting that reverse light in. Okay. Alright. So after that, that's the hard part of this whole installation, really. Making sure that perfect. And place it back. Put the bolts back on using a 10mm socket. Tighten them all nice and good. Go ahead and remove the plastic cover. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks with it on. This is how the lights look when the car turns on. And this is how the lights look when the brakes get pressed on. And the turn signals and the reverse. And then we'll be showing you how that looks at night as well. And this is what they look like at night. And then this is what they look like when you step on the brake. And then when you turn the turn signal and the reverse.